Want to see if it flies.
Oh my gosh.
From the 23rd story. Holy. Hold it open. Hold it open. Wait. Oh, damn. Hey, it's flying.
Still going.
It's pretty stable.
Stable flight straight to the ground. Or in somebody else's window.
Just gonna keep recirculating on the inside of the building.
I see it's right there.
It's moving.
Oh wait, now it's over there. And it's going down to Treasure Island.
Oh shit.
Oh damn, it's flying now.
I think it completely opened up, and now it's just a piece of paper.
No, I think that sucker's cruising, man. Oh, it's gone.